welcome back to the channel. Thank you for subscribing, and if you haven't already done so, make sure you go ahead and hit the like button. Every single like helps the channel, but without any further ado, let's jump into the video. Big shout out to Tana Does Tech. You have to do is type Tana Does Tech, and you'll be able to check out his YouTube channel and some of his merchandise. Make sure you stay locked in, and I'll see you right after this. Peace. Yo, what's going on, guys? It's your boy Serrano. Peace. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for subscribing, and today we're going to take a look at the QCY TWS Bluetooth earphones. The first thing to take note of with the QCY QS1 TWS Bluetooth headphones is the really nice packaging. It comes in an all white packaging with the recycled look. You're actually getting all white here with the logo at the top. At the bottom it does say that they're TWS Bluetooth headphones. What's really nice about these headphones is they're actually Bluetooth 5.0. That actually means that you will be able to hear out of both during phone calls, and when you put them in the case, they actually automatically stop the music. When you take them out the case, it automatically pairs up to your phone immediately, which is pretty cool. I definitely like that feature, and I'm definitely looking forward to using it going forward. The charging time is approximately 2 hours minimum. Music time is approximately 4 hours. Standby time is approximately 120 hours. You're actually getting an extra 20 hours of use with the case included. The case has input parameter of 5 volts and 500 millihours, so it's very powerful and will last throughout the day. So an extra 20 hours with the case is a full day of use. Definitely looking forward to how they advertised it as an all-day headphone. All the headphones that I'm used to wearing do require at least one charge throughout the day. These QCY QS1 TWS Bluetooth headphones actually are advertised as an all-day headphone, so I'm definitely looking forward to trying that out. Let's go ahead and open up the box to see what else is presented to us. The first thing that's presented to us is the all-black QCY QS1 Bluetooth earphone. So you do see that those are really nice. They're actually presented to us right inside of the case. Inside of the box is the user manual. When we open the user manual, we notice that there are multiple touch buttons on the left and right ear. When we long press, double tap, single tap, hold, or just tap 2 times or 1 time or anything like that, we are getting several different features. We'll talk about that later in some more detail. Actually, the other thing is you're getting extra earbuds. So you're getting about 3 different sizes for multiple different sized ears. You're getting small, medium, and large. So you're getting the option to choose from all 3. The ones that were provided with the earphones actually felt perfect to my ear. So I only would switch out these ones if I lost the ones that came with the original earphones. So we're going to put that off to the side and see what else is in the box. The other thing that we're greeted with is the USB cable. The USB cable is useful when we want to charge the case. The case is going to last us about 20 hours or more. So that means we're going to get a whole day of use with these earphones. I'm definitely looking forward to the QCY QS1 TWS Bluetooth earphones. We're going to test out some phone calls, we're going to test out the music quality, and a whole lot more. So make sure you stay locked in. Right here you can see the USB cable. You can also see the plastic design of the case. It's actually a really nice design. It doesn't feel cheap. It does feel light in the hand. Inside are magnets which charge your earphones right here. You can see when you do remove one of them, it actually pairs to the case and the other earphone. They do say left and right inside and have gold magnets. When you do lift up both of them, they do pair to each other and immediately start to charge and sync up against one another. As soon as you turn on your Bluetooth to your phone, they will pair. The music actually turns off immediately when putting this one in the case. Have buttons on the sides which have multiple gestures to double tap to actually push a song forward, double tap this way to go back and push a song. There's just so many different gestures. There's also a Google Assistant when you long hold the button. Another long hold for like 5 seconds powers it off. Now these things are actually really cool because when you put them back into the case, the music turns off automatically. Now I'm just gonna put this in my ear right now. Let me see. Whoa, that feels really good in there. Whoa, that's not going nowhere. That's locked in. Whoa. These are really noise cancellation microphone. You could feel the noise cancellation. As soon as you put them in your ear, you can't hear nothing. You're pretty much locked in. There we go. QCY right there. Let's go ahead and press that button. It says, do you want to pair it? So let's go ahead, pair it. And you actually activate Google Assistant when you long press this. So look at that. And it actually activates Google Assistant. Alright, so let's see if we can put some music on right now. What time did the Knicks play this week, or later in the week? And she told me I could hear her in my earphones, both earphones. Hey, what's up, Pop? Good, good. How was your day? How's the call quality? You could hear me okay? Alright, cool. Is my phone staticky at all or anything like that? Because I'm calling you from my earbuds. Okay. Alright, so I'll call you later. Alright, bye-bye. Wow. Yo guys, these stay in your ear like really well. And also it cancels out any noise that you hear around you. So you literally can't hear anything around you except for the caller and the person talking to you. When I just got off the phone just right now, the caller, the person on the other end was able to hear me crystal clear without any distortion at all. I was able to hear out of both ears and it was really clear, and I couldn't hear anything else because these things lock in noise, so it feels like you're putting earplug, like literally putting earplugs in your ear, and that noise gets canceled out, as well as the bass is really good for music. Let's go ahead and play some more music right here, but I was getting really good quality of bass and music and everything like that, so let's go ahead and play one more track. Best ones are definitely probably one of the best headphones I've gotten for earbuds. Now these are probably the best earbuds I've had so far, and I would definitely recommend them. Now I paid $20 for these. I'm gonna leave a link below exactly where I purchased them. There might be a sale, but right now it's really weird because I went to the website and they were $80 after I had paid $20. So I'm thinking that I got away with some type of special pre-order sale. But anyway, I'm gonna leave the link down below. I'm definitely gonna be enjoying these. They stay in your ear really well. The bass is actually really good. and the overall quality is very substantial. I could definitely recommend these. So if you found this video helpful in any way possible, make sure you click the like button. Also leave comments down below so I could go ahead and answer any questions you may have whatsoever. It's your boy Serrano. Thank you for subscribing. Again, thank you for watching. Shout out to Tana Does Tech for actually providing a nice t-shirt right here. If you want to go ahead support his channel, definitely go ahead, and I'll leave a link down below. But make sure halfway is like perfect. If you guys found this video helpful in any way possible, make sure you hit that like button and make sure you stay locked in for more videos just like this. I'll see you guys on the next video. Peace.